Hi everyone, it's Sam over here from Kipo Art Studio. Let me show you how to replace the sky of a photo automatically in Photoshop CC2021. If you work with Photoshop CC2021, you can enjoy this new feature. So to get started, select your image layer, go up to the edit menu, and select sky replacement. Now, wait for the Photoshop's artificial intelligence to analyze your image in just a few seconds. There you go, Photoshop automatically replaces the sky of your image. From here, you can select any sky image you like. Drag this gauge to maximize or minimize the sky previews. Or you might want to insert your sky image file from your computer by clicking this icon. Try to experiment with these gauges to get the best view to your liking. You can even flip the sky image if you want to. And at the output to drop-down, you can select new layers if you want the sky replacement consists of separate layers. And other option is the duplicate layer if you want the result to be a new composite layer. In this demonstration, I choose the new layers. Here it is, so the sky replacement is in a new group with complete separate layers. That's it? Alright, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you around.